Ever questioned the process of deriving meaning from enormous chunks of data? Or contemplated the method of converting raw data into valuable, actionable insights? This is where Power BI, an incredibly potent intelligence tool, steps in. This exceptional tool is the brainchild of the technology giant Microsoft. Its primary purpose is to unleash the absolute power that lies dormant within data. Power BI is more than just a tool, it's a beacon of hope in a world drowning in data but starved of meaningful information. It acts as a bridge, connecting the gap between raw data and insightful knowledge. Its ultimate ambition is to facilitate judicious decision-making within companies, driving them towards success. Enter Power BI, Microsoft's powerful business intelligence tool, designed to unlock the potential of data and drive informed decision-making. Power BI, an acronym for Business Intelligence, is an innovative suite of analytics tools that's strategically been developed by the tech giant Microsoft. This software has effectively revolutionized the way businesses handle data, reshaping perspectives and offering dimensions to data interpretation that didn't exist before. Consider it to be a game changer. It's a tool with immense potential, providing users with the capability to connect to a broad spectrum of data sources, in internal databases or remotely hosted cloud platforms. Power BI's strength lies in transforming large volumes of raw data. These seemingly meaningless numbers, when processed through Power BI, give birth to powerful insights that drive data-driven decision-making. The software offers a user-friendly interface, featuring interactive capabilities such as reports creation and dashboards development. These reports and dashboards are interactive, visually appealing, and easy to understand. They help in identifying trends, patterns, and variances that otherwise go unnoticed. Through this, Power BI is enabling individuals and businesses to make more informed strategic decisions based on concrete data analysis, rather than mere guesswork. At the end of this journey, Power BI stands tall, transforming raw data into meaningful insights and enabling the creation of interactive reports and dashboards. Let's demystify the key components of Power BI. We begin with Power BI Desktop, a fascinating piece of software that stands as the cornerstone of our journey. This is your primary authoring tool, a gateway to the of data. It is a free application available to everyone, a testament to its accessibility. Power BI Desktop is not merely an application, it is an instrument that you can install on your PC, granting you an immediate access to the universe of data. Once installed, it becomes your bridge to various data sources existing around the globe. Whether it's a local database or an international one, Power BI Desktop connects seamlessly. Post-connection, it becomes your partner in transforming and modeling data, making sense of the numbers once seemed complex. Turning data into information, it aids in creating interactive reports that are not just informative but also easy to understand. Moreover, it allows for the creation of visualizations, converting raw data into compelling visuals that tell a story. Power BI Desktop, therefore, is not just a tool, but a companion guiding you through the world of data. It connects to various data sources, transforms and models data, and creates interactive reports and visualizations. Then, we have the Power BI service, a cloud-based offering from Microsoft. This service is not just a mere tool, but an incredible platform which is designed to take your data visualization to a whole new level. A platform where you can store and manage your data in a secure, cloud-based environment. This is implemented by Microsoft, a global leader in technology and services. What really sets this service apart is its ability to publish, share, and collaborate on these Power BI reports and dashboards. It provides a convenient tool for business professionals to make sense of their vast arrays of data, offering an easy-to-use interface that even beginners can navigate. The collaboration aspect is particularly noteworthy, as it allows teams to work together seamlessly, sharing insights and generating reports in real time. This fosters a culture of data-driven decision-making and fosters a more efficient workflow. Users can access these reports via web browsers and mobile devices. This means you can stay connected and informed, regardless of your location or device preference, ensuring that you always have access to your vital business data. For those who are always on the move, there's Power BI Mobile. This extraordinary app, designed for modern professionals, is an essential tool for those seeking to maximize their efficiency. Always at your fingertips, it's a powerful extension of the Power BI desktop experience. Tailored specifically for iOS and Android systems, it effortlessly integrates with your devices. This means that whether you're an Apple or Android aficionado, you're catered for. The Power BI mobile app is not just about accessibility, it's also about interaction. You can pull up reports, dashboards, and datasets all with a simple touch. You're not just viewing your content, but you're actively engaging with it. The touch-friendly interface is intuitively designed to be user-friendly, making data manipulation easier than ever before. This isn't just a static application, it's a dynamic tool that molds itself to your needs. The responsive design adjusts to your screen size, ensuring you always get the best possible viewing experience. It's a truly flexible solution for the modern business person. So whether you're on a train, in a coffee shop, or just at your desk wanting a change of scene, Power BI Mobile has you covered with a responsive and touch-friendly experience. Lastly, there's the Power BI Gateway. This is a tool that holds significant importance for businesses that prioritize data security. It is an indispensable tool, working as a bridge, enabling secure and seamless data transfer between Power BI service and on-premises sources. In today's era, where data is the new gold, ensuring its secure movement across different platforms has become utmost important. The Power BI Gateway plays a critical role in providing this security, especially when it comes to connecting data sources that are locally stored and not in the cloud. This is a feature that sets it apart. The role of the gateway becomes even more crucial when dealing with sensitive or confidential data. It ensures that your data is kept secure during its transfer, thus adding to your peace of mind, especially when connecting to data sources not in the cloud. Power BI is packed with features that make it a powerful tool for data analysis. It has a user-friendly interface that helps to convert raw data into valuable insights. Its integration with Microsoft tools like Excel and SharePoint opens up more possibilities for data manipulation. It even boasts the ability to create interactive dashboards and reports that enable organizations to visualize their data in real time. One of the unique aspects is its data modeling capabilities, which can handle large amounts of data with high-speed processing. Power BI also provides advanced analytics features, such as predictive modeling and forecasting, to help businesses make smarter, data-driven decisions. It can connect to on-premises databases, external APIs, and a variety of other data sources. Moreover, its security features ensure the confidentiality and integrity of your data. Power BI can connect to a wide array of data sources, from Excel files and databases to cloud-based sources and online services. Then there's data transformation and modeling. The Power BI desktop software, a powerful resource at your disposal, gives you access to cutting-edge tools designed specifically for this purpose. These tools are not just ordinary ones, they are the embodiment of technological advancement in data handling. One such tool is the Power Query Editor. This feature allows you to meticulously clean and shape your data, ensuring it is in the most suitable format for your analysis. There's more to it. You can also create relationships between different data points. Furthermore, you can define calculated columns, essentially giving your data a narrative of its own. And measures can be defined using data analysis expressions or DAX. This functionality gives you a much broader view of your data's implications and potential insights. Power BI Desktop assists you in creating a data model that is not only comprehensive but also insightful and predictive, and define calculated columns and measures using DAX. Visualization is another standout feature. Power BI offers a rich set of visualization options. Charts, tables, maps, it has it all. Users can effortlessly create interactive and dynamic reports with a simple drag and drop. Dashboards are where it all comes together. Combine multiple visualizations into a single view to provide an overview of key metrics. Share these dashboards for collaborative insights. Power BI also features natural language query. Ask questions about your data in plain language, and Power BI generates visualizations based on your query. It's like having a conversation with your data. Security is paramount in Power BI, with robust features allowing organizations to control access to data and reports. Share insights within the organization or externally with confidence. Finally, Power BI integrates seamlessly with Microsoft Office, particularly Excel. Embed Power BI reports in Excel and PowerPoint for a cohesive user experience. So there you have it. Power BI is a versatile, powerful tool that can transform data into actionable insights. Whether you're an individual, a small business, or a large enterprise, Power BI offers a scalable and flexible solution. It's time to unlock the potential of your data with Power BI. If you found this video helpful, we'd appreciate it if you could hit that like button. It helps us know that we're providing content that is valuable and beneficial to you. If you want to keep up with our latest content on Power BI and other related topics, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. And if you know someone else who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. Remember, knowledge shared is knowledge multiplied. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.